Hello and welcome to Product Critique, your ultimate guide to the latest in technology.
Today, we're diving into a game changer in the world of voice recorders. Introducing the 72GB digital voice recorder, equipped with cutting-edge features designed to revolutionize how you capture audio.
This isn't just any voice recorder. It's the best voice-activated recorder currently available on the market. With an impressive 72 GB of storage capacity thanks to its built-in 8 GB memory and included 64 GB TF card. This device offers ample space to record up to 3,343 hours of audio. Utilizing PCM10 Core Triple Digital Intelligent Noise Reduction technology, this recorder delivers crystal clear 1,536 kilobits per second audio quality. Capturing every detail with precision. Automatically starts recording when sound reaches the desired decibel level, ensuring you never miss a moment while saving memory and playback time. A 500 mAh rechargeable battery supports up to 33 hours of continuous recording and 24 hours of playback. Perfect for long lectures, meetings, or interviews. Simple operation with just 3 buttons for recording, saving, and playback. It includes essential functions like A/B repeat, fast forward, rewind, and variable speed playback, making it ideal for various professional and educational settings. Features password protection for your recordings, ensuring your data remains private and secure. Works seamlessly with laptops and personal computers via USB, making file transfers quick and easy. Comes with a Type-C charging cable and a user manual, ensuring you have everything you need right out of the box. In conclusion, the 72GB digital voice recorder stands out as a top choice for professionals and students alike. Offering unparalleled functionality, exceptional audio quality, and robust storage capacity. Whether you're recording lectures, meetings, interviews, or personal notes, this recorder exceeds expectations in every aspect. Don't miss out on enhancing your recording experience. Click the link in the description to get your hands on the best voice-activated recorder available today. Thank you for watching Product Critique. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insightful reviews on the latest tech products. Until next time, stay tuned and stay tech-savvy.